you work with PET bottles, a hot wire bottle cutter is a great tool for precise cutting, but small mistakes can ruin your results. In this video, I will show you how to avoid common mistakes and get clean, accurate cuts every time. First, setting the right temperature. The wire shouldn't be too hot or it can melt and deform the plastic. Solution: adjust the temperature according to the thickness of bottle for a smooth cut. Second, holding the bottle correctly. If you don't hold the bottle steady, the cut will be uneven. Don't apply too much pressure. Let the wire do the work. Solution: hold the bottle firmly. Third, safety precautions. The wire gets very hot touching. It can cause burns. Wear heat-resistant gloves for safety. Cutting plastic releases fumes, so always work in a well-ventilated area. Fourth, cutting at the right speed. Moving too fast, the bottle might crack. Too slow, the plastic may stick to the wire. Solution: move at a steady, even pace to get a clean and precise cut. Fifth, checking the wire condition. A loose or worn out wire won't cut properly. If the wire is bent or damaged, replace it immediately. Solution: regularly checking and adjust the wire before cutting. By following these simple steps, you will get perfect bottle cuts every time.